This shirt was clean 10 seconds ago. Today, we end the pet hair problem. For good. Quick science. Pet hair carries static charge. Black fabric grabs it like a magnet. So we'll beat physics with physics. Trick 1. Grab a rubber dish glove and get it slightly damp. Just damp, not dripping. Swipe one direction and the fur rolls into balls. Free, instant, and weirdly satisfying. No lint roller? Wrap packing tape around your hand, sticky side out. Then pat. Don't rub. Congratulations! Your hand is now a lint roller. The fur never saw it coming. The big one. Before washing, run clothes in the dryer. 10 minutes. Air only. One dryer sheet. Tumbling knocks the hair loose, and the lint trap catches everything. Look at that! That's all off your clothes. Washer rule 1. Don't overload it. Clothes need room to move so the hair can rinse away. Rule 2. Half a cup of white vinegar in the rinse cycle. It relaxes the fibers and releases stuck hair. And no, your clothes won't smell like salad. The vinegar smell disappears as everything dries. Promise. Before leaving, rub a dryer sheet over your outfit. It kills static, so new hair can't grab on. Want less hair on your clothes? Start at the source. Brush your pet a few minutes daily. They'll love it. Wash pet bedding on its own, and keep a lint roller by the door. Future you says thanks. 5 tricks, 0 fur. Subscribe for more fixes like this. He's on the sweater again.